Hey guys, it is May 5th. Today's the day. The book is out. Our Friend Hedgehog. Purchase it wherever books are sold. I am here in my studio today. I wanted to give you a little tour and glimpse of where the work was made. This is my space I share with another painter. My stand-up desk where I do most of my painting and my drawing, and you'll see behind me is my computer station, and up here on the wall is my art laundry line where my drawings like to dry and be displayed for people to see that walk through. So I'm going to show you a little bit of art that I made for the book. This is the original art. Flip through a little bit, you can see that these are relatively small drawings. This one here was cut out because I gave it as a gift to my editor. This is a whole big stack of some of the original art from the book. This right here is the drawing for the back cover. So as you can see, very small ink and watercolor pencil drawings were made for this book. These are my watercolors right here. Beautiful, also messy pan watercolors from Japan. What else can I show you? Sketchbooks. A couple of sketchbooks that were worked in early on in the Hedgehog bookmaking process. This was one of the first ones where I was thinking of characters and story idea. These are my scribbles where most people don't understand. Only I understand what is going on these pages usually. Here's some really tiny thumbnail drawings for the book. So, and some of these ideas actually made it into the final piece for the final book. Let's see, here is one of the first full tiny dummies for the book. As you can see, I like to work very, very small. And then I enlarge these drawings, and then I start to refine the drawings that you would then see in the book. So here, let's see. There's a couple of the spreads. You can see it went from a teeny tiny thumbnail to a full spread. So thanks for dropping into my studio today. Again, the book is out today, May 5th. Our Friend Hedgehog, the first in a series for young readers ages 5 and up. Thank you so much. Have a good day.